Anderson Evans from Freetown Secondary School. I'm in Form 4 and I would like to share what I have learned from Robin Wanjala. And these are the guidelines for a student who would like to be successful in his or her studies. First, you have to believe in yourself. You see, some students, sometimes they fail exams or their examinations because they degrade themselves. They may be having the content, but their faith is little, because when someone gets into an exam room, he or she knows the question, but that faith that even if I know the question, but he or she has that attitude that subject, I'm not good in it, so even if I read, I must fail in an exam. So that is one of the guidelines that some students must take into consideration. And second, you should have you should be humble. You see, some students, they think that, or they are overconfident, because sometimes when they see that they are better off and they are not unbeatable, sometimes they become proud and they fail to consult teachers or other students in some studies, or let's say some subjects which they are not good in. So they become proud and they don't even ask questions or consult those students who are good in other subjects or the teachers, because of being proud or not being humble. And third, never quit until you win. This is another guideline which many students fail to follow. You see, when students in secondary school, or let's say primary school, they have a problem in a certain subject and they don't even consult teachers, so they keep on adding more bulk. So when they reach a higher level, they just quit and they give up in that subject, or let's say a topic, so they end up failing. Another thing is be consistent and never give up. This one is just so. Being consistent means you should reading every day. Don't just read today and then tomorrow you say I'll spend this day doing something else, or just spend some time, even if you will just take a little time, but make sure every day you take your time, you do your studies first before you do other things. And the next one is you should have a good company. You see, nowadays many people or many students fail, because I can say many students fail in secondary school because when they finish their primary education and they join secondary schools, they meet some friends or let's say colleagues there in their schools. So the colleagues may have good behaviors, or they may even have bad attitudes towards some teachers or some subjects. So when these students they meet or they mix with these students who have some attitude, or let's say graduate some teachers, they may also develop those attitudes or grudges with those teachers. So the outcome is failing. Then the next one, you should be reading widely. When a teacher finishes a topic, or when a topic is over in class, you must not just sit down and wait for the examination. You should also look for revision materials. Let's say you have a spotlight, or you can even use the KCC Made Familiar, because in that book the questions are well stated and the answers are there. So when a teacher just finishes a topic, you should also make that initiative of getting a revision book. You do those questions and you make sure that you have grabbed the content before you enter into an exam room. Then the last one, you should have self-confidence. Having self-confidence is that even when you don't know something, just tell yourself that I know this. But when you say I don't know, you are developing an attitude, and you even quit, or you will give up. Because when you appreciate yourself every day, you will get that passion that I will do this even if I don't know, I'll do. And when you don't know and you keep on doing every day, you will have that passion to do. You will sometimes miss, but you will be having that passion that I must know this, because if you do, you have that passion that I will do this one even if I don't know. But when you say I don't know and I'm not going to do it, then that one will be somehow bad. So that's all about what I have learned from that guy. So thank you.